Look at this beautiful dog. This is Diesel. He's so pretty, kiss. Hi, this is Andre again, and I got so many messages of people that wanted to see my pit bull Diesel and my cat Callie Berry that I decided to show the two of them together. So I made this video, so please enjoy. I want everybody to see my vicious pit bull. And this is my cat. You're in my light, honey. This is Callie Berry. You guys already saw Callie Berry. Bring your ball over here. Come on. I want to show you how the two of them get together. This is a 7-month-old cat that was rescued. Came to live here. A real dear friend of ours rescued her. And this is a 2-year-old pit bull that I rescued. And they're best friends. Come on, baby. He's got a ball in his mouth. Look. Oh, come here. Look at these two. Oh, you're going to come back over? Come back over. Look at this pretty boy. Oh, his tail's hitting me. He's so happy. Callie Berry, do you want to give Callie Berry a kiss? Let's take the ball out your mouth. Come here. Oh. Let's see. Diesel, sit, because people think pit bulls are vicious. And I want you to see how beautiful he is. He still has his ears. I never got his ears clipped. Gonna have to tilt it down. Callie's like, oh, leave it right there. Do you see he's licking her? Lick her ears. There. See that? He's the sweetest boy. Okay, now he's showing off. But you see, Callie Berry has no fear of him. He's the sweetest dog in the world. That proves that pit bulls are not vicious. He's so sweet that when we feed him and she walks in the kitchen, he'll move over from his dish so she can have some of his food. Callie Berry loves him too. Yes. So the point I'm making is, it's the way you raise the dog. Pit bulls are not vicious. They were bred to be babysitters. And for those of you who torture the dogs and teach them to fight, the hell with you. You guys need to go to jail for years. Not a few months. You need to do time for years. Because you just destroy these beautiful animals, and it's wrong. So for all the Michael Vicks in the world that like to torture animals, bye. Go to jail for years. Don't care. Okay, well, that's it. Oh, one more thing. I want to show my kids. This is a picture of my kids. Well, I'm going to see if you can see that. Wait. Let me back up. Now, that's my son on his 1-year-old birthday. And that's my daughter. She was about 3 on this picture. They're both adult kids now. And this is Armani, Joseph, and this is Tiffany Diamond. We call him AJ, and we call her Tiffy. And they both have shows on YouTube called Hopelessly Awkward. Or you could go to hopelesslyawkward.com. See my cute little peace sign earrings? Peace.